Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. Today I'm going to be just making a charcuterie board here at the house. I had a Walmart order, so everything here was purchased on my Walmart order today, so minus the wine over there in the corner. I'll show you this bottle. This is one of my favorite Pinot Noir. There are notes of black cherry and a smooth finish. This is one of my favorite wines. It's by Highlands 41. Not too expensive, and it's a great wine to pair with your favorites on your charcuterie board. So I just want to share the wine of the week. To show you a few of the things I purchased today. I'll start here with the crackers. This is my first time buying this particular variety. It has my rosemary cracker that I really like, brings out the flavors really well. So this is what we'll be using today. I wanted to emulate some of the things that I typically see on the charcuterie boards that I purchased that have been made, and some type of ground mustard is usually an option, so I decided to use that. And I really love when they give me the option of a pepper jelly. It is spicy. I'm sure they have a milder version as well. And then, you know, I've mentioned before that I love the blueberry goat cheese. So I found a real small log that I'm going to use today from Walmart. And I got a cheese variety pack. I actually had picked a different one. I had to go with this substitution, which was a Cracker Barrel substitution. The original one I had picked out, I think it had some Gouda in it. So this one just has pepper jack, cheddar jack, Asiago, extra sharp cheddar, and we'll use a couple of slices of that today for our board. And then I just grabbed a salami pack. And so I'm going to put just a little bit of the sweet orange marmalade. This was already in my refrigerator, so it's not a new jar, but I thought it'd be nice to maybe add that to the board as well. So also today I'm going to incorporate some fruits. So I've got some blueberries, blackberry, grapes, and yeah, let's get started.
You actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no.
So you guys, I'm going to make little rosebuds out of some of the salami and just place those in different little areas, your little flowers. I'm just doing them all different colors. No rhyme or reason. Just making it look kind of cute.
You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transit, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your
blackberries, I just cut little slits all the way around, and you can see if you fan it out, kind of looks like a rose. I tried my best. This is actually my first time trying to make a rose strawberry, so I feel like it turned out pretty good. Pretty good for a first try, yeah. Just washed and cleaned some fresh blackberries, blueberries, and I've got them in this small little bowl here. Thanks so much for joining me today and for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
How to keep the